I think I did a very good job, y'all. Y'all asked for my first time using Ghost Bond. Of course I used the Got To Be glue, freeze spray and all that, but this right here, I love it. So love this Ghost Bond Platinum, and I was calling it Gold Bond before, y'all, but it's Ghost Bond. So it's the next day, and I told y'all, and it is a hole that will, yeah, so I'm gonna see how it's gonna wear today. I'm getting ready to go outside. So yes, this is Ghost Bond Platinum, and I love this stuff so far. Last night when I laid down, I tied my hair up, it was fine. So I am excited about this. So yes, y'all think I did a good job? I think I did a very, very good job. Look at this. Hold up, let's fix this. What's going on with that? Okay, you see that? I think I did a very good job, y'all. Yes, for my first time using Ghost Bond. Of course, I used the Got To Be Glue, freeze spray, and all that, but this right here, I love it. So, yeah, so this is my Ghost Bond. Let me get a thumbnail, y'all. So, this is my thumbnail. I don't know. I don't know. I need a thumbnail, so I don't know if I'm gonna put it up there or what I'm gonna do. But this is the Ghost Bond. All right, y'all. I'm geeking. Let me get out of here. All right. Be blessed and not stressing. J Baby signing off. Bye.